Hello students of Standard 2nd, JV Mall Public School, Sita Welcome you all in online session of English. This is Usha and today's topic is The Crow's Nest. Today we are taking revision of this chapter. Okay, this chapter is taken from your English reader. Let's see. The Crow's Nest. Whose nest? The crow's nest. Have you seen the nest? I hope you all have seen the nest. Okay? Yes, na? Okay, let's see. Kalu the crow. Who is Kalu? Kalu is a crow. Lives in a nest. Who lives in a nest? Kalu the crow lives in a nest. It is growing hot. It is growing hot means it is summer days and the days going hot. So he goes for a holiday to another tree. Kalu goes for holidays to another tree and spend some days to the another tree because it is growing hot. The river flows near the tree. Hence, he searches a place where the river flows. Kalu rows a boat in the river. And Kalu rows a boat in the river. He likes to work in the garden. Kalu likes to work in the garden. He sows seeds in the garden. He mows grass. This Kalu, where he goes, there was a river near the nest and a garden. So Kalu works in the garden and he sows seeds in the garden. He mows the grass also. He had a good time for 5 days. He spent his 5 days nicely and he spent his time good for 5 days. He goes back to his nest and after 5 days he goes back to his nest. Where from he come there? Means he come there to spend his holidays and after 5 days he goes back to his nest. But there is a green parrot with a red bow in his nest. But there is a green parrot with a red bow in his nest. Look at this. This is the crow's nest. But as the day growing hot, he goes to the another place to spend holidays beside the river, and he spent 5 days. He spent good time. Then after 5 days he returned to his nest, but he saw a green parrot with red bows in his nest. This is my nest. Kalu says that this is my nest, says the Kalu. But now I live in this nest, says the parrot. Kalu says that this is my nest, but the parrot says, but now it is my nest because I am living in this nest. The crow gives a blow to the parrot. The crow gives a blow. Blow means air blow to the parrot. The parrot also gives a blow to the crow. There is a big fight. There is a big fight between crow and parrot. Green parrot. Kalu the crow and the green parrot. All the animals come to see the fight. The fox says, go to the king. Hence, when the crow and parrot was fighting, the fox suggested to the Kalu and Parrot that go to the king. He will solve your problem. He is sitting under the big rock. He knows what to do. The fox suggested to the Kalu and Parrot that go to the king. The two birds go to the big rock. The eyes of cunning fox glow. He thinks, I will eat them, but I must go slow or they will fly away. The fox who suggested to go to the king, he was very cunning. He thought a plan to eat the crow and parrot. When the birds reach the rock, they hear a voice saying, Come here and tell me your story. Since it is very dark under the rock, the birds are not able to see the king. It was dark and the bird was unable to see the king. As soon as the birds go near, the fox jumps on them. He kills and eats them. Who kills and eats them? The cunning fox. The cunning fox, he was who suggested to go to the king. Means it was his plan. As soon as the birds go near the fox jump on them and he kills and eat them. He succeeded in his plan. In this story, the two birds fight. The benefit goes to fox. Means the benefit goes to another person, third person. So don't be fight with each other. Okay, students? Now the exercise. Fill in the blanks. Missing letter. Okay? What the bird is doing? Row the boat. R-O-W, row. M-O-W, mow the seeds. Sow the seeds. S-O-W, sow. B-O-W, bow. M-O-W, mow the grass. Okay? R-O-W, row the boat. S-O-W, sow the seed. B-O-W, bow. And M-O-W, mow the grass. Now the question answers. Who has not done, complete this, okay? Who is in the Kalu's nest? Green parrot is in Kalu's nest. Who comes to see the fight? All animals comes to see the fight. Who is cunning in the story? Yes, the fox is cunning in the story. The fox is cunning in the story. What does the fox do to the two birds? The fox kill and eat the birds. The fox kill and eat the birds. Complete this question answers. Write down in the copy. Okay, students? Bye. Thank you. Have a nice day.